This is the calf milk feeding bucket, designed to allow 6 calves to feed simultaneously. It features volume markings for precise control of feeding amounts. Made of durable and robust PE material. Contains a built-in glass ball valve to prevent milk backflow. The nipples are detachable for easy cleaning or replacement. The nipple tip has an X-shaped slit, making it easier for calves to suckle. Equipped with a hook-style design for quick and convenient installation. The bottom features a recessed groove design to minimize milk wastage.